While you're building a trial site, you can make your website password protected or set to private. This is helpful if your website is under construction or if only certain people should see it. In order to set a site-wide password, in the Home menu, click Settings and then click Site Visibility. Select Password Protected and enter the password visitors will use to view your website. Then click Save. It's important to keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive. If you'd like to test out your password, open your site in a private or incognito browser window. This way you can see how your site will look to other visitors. Squarespace offers all users the ability to create a custom lock screen to match the brand or purpose of your site. Some of these options can be seen here. To change the password, in the Home menu, click Settings and then Site Visibility. From here, enter a new password and then click Save. If you'd like to remove the password completely, set your site to either public or private, and then click Save. If you set your site to public, it will be accessible to all visitors and to search engines. Only paid sites can be public. If you choose private, it will only be accessible to the site owner and contributors. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.